day in the market. Let's see if this is working. I think it probably is. I don't know. We will see. We're gonna, oh, ladies and gentlemen, we did it. We did it. We are now live. Oh, we got a lot of fun announcements over here. I just got to make sure that this is going. And then we are going to be good to go, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, there we go. So, folks, welcome back to another crazy day in the market. We are seeing a lot of volatility across the board over here. Hopefully you guys are excited. We've got gold ripping to new highs over here. Congratulations to everybody that was paying attention over there when I gave this out to you guys at 317 just about a month and a half ago there. Obviously, we are going to be seeing an increased level of volatility this week with this new development with the trade war between the U.S. and China. Like I've said a lot over the last couple of weeks here, or last couple of days here, that this is now, after the shock that we saw on Friday, this is really not the time to be going all that crazy in the market. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I've got a little bit of a special announcement for everybody today. We are currently dual streaming on Rumble and YouTube right now. So for those of you guys that are on Rumble, hello, welcome. This is my first stream on Rumble. For those of you guys that have not followed me on Rumble yet, that are hanging out over on YouTube, I'm going to send that link to you guys in here so that if you guys want to come over there with us, which you should, because here's what's about to happen. This is what I think is going to be the norm going forward. I mean, we could, I think all of the YouTube videos and everything are going to be posted. So basically, I think what we're going to do is every single one of these public lives is now only going to be on Rumble. Then the public live day, the big day on Friday, we'll do on YouTube and Rumble, and then I'll try to add TikTok in there. Guys, the amount of censorship that I have had to deal with over the last couple of months here, by just showing you guys what is actually possible in the market if you start operating with an elevated level of, let's say, intelligence and exactly knowing what to do in the market. Again, there are right and wrong ways to be operating in the market. There is not a single other person out there that has handed out, 29 10x trades in a 3-month period. Nobody else is dealing, like, guys, the social media platforms are literally coming for me now because of all of the crazy results that I'm showing you. You guys are seeing it on Instagram. You guys saw it on YouTube. So team, ladies and gentlemen, it is that time of day again. Say good morning to somebody in the live chat. If you guys would like to say good morning to me, would love to receive some good mornings over here. If you guys are new to the group, new to the stream, new to the channel, let me know. I'd love to welcome you guys in here. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, make sure that you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. It costs you absolutely nothing to do it, but it helps me out a whole lot. Spreading this information out to as many people who actually want to learn. Let's see. So we're going to change the like goal a little bit. The like goal is now 100 likes on the Rumble stream. That's what we're going to do. But make sure you guys are liking the YouTube stream too. Again, we're probably only going to be doing the public live streams every single day now on just Rumble. The videos are still going to be out. I'll still be live on TikTok. But at this point, guys, with the amount of censorship that I have had to deal with, it's just getting ridiculous. I am the only person out there that is actually showing you guys what is actually possible in the market if you operate and know what you're doing. That's it. Jehovah, what's up, man? How you doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, so again, you guys, again, that still need to hop into LTMP, get 50% off your first month with code October. Prices are going to be going up in the near future. Do not miss that. We got a lot of you guys over here on Rumble. Welcome, welcome. The video and everything else looks so much better here than the other place. Yeah, duh. Ooh, yeah, Rumble looks better. Yeah, so we're going to be doing most of the streams on Rumble now. I'll try to add in TikTok. Let's see. But yeah, guys, it's going to be fun. Oh, we also are monetized on Rumble too, so we can get supers going again. We haven't done that in forever. You guys don't have to send in supers though. I don't care. But yeah, welcome back, guys. We got a lot of interesting things to go through today. There you go, guys. Here's another one that's starting to break out here that I outlined for LTMP from the watch list this weekend. BTU, really, really, really solid moves here. I'm seeing a lot of you guys in LTMP up a decent amount on this right now. Let's see. Hold on. 30. No, what? Hold on. BTU's target is 30. What is it? 37.40. Mara. Let's take a look at Mara. You guys are asking about this one. I don't like the miners at all. Not a fan of the miners. They've just been lagging so much over the last couple of years. Like, I know a lot of you guys ask me about this a lot. I just don't like trading them. I'd rather trade coin. I'd rather trade IBIT. I'd rather trade almost anything else over there. So let's see. What do we got? BTU, let's go. Yeah, so 78% on BTU says how. There you go, guys. There you go. So let's see. Yeah, you guys have the link to the Rumble channel. It's floating around in the live chat here too. The workflow is gonna get. I gotta figure it out a little bit here, just because I'm flipping back and forth between two chats. But obviously, I'm gonna be paying more attention to the Rumble chat. TTD, nope, nothing on TTD. Marty says. Yeah, let's see here. Oh my god, you guys are crushing the like button on Rumble. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. Rumble's beating YouTube over here. Let's see who's gonna win. I mean, who's gonna win? The Rumble live chat on the like button or the YouTube live chat? I think Rumble's got, oh yeah, Rumble's got you guys by a lot right now. ASTS? No, I mean, this was another one of the 10x trades that I handed out over the last 2.5 months here, guys. Again, I don't know how many more of the most disgusting trades in the market that you guys need to see me call out in order to realize that the LTMP method and methodology is the way that you should have been trading all along, but I am just going to keep doing it. This is going to be a week where you want to kind of sit back, relax, and wait for the dust to settle here. But if you guys think that I am not going to keep doing this for everybody, you are sadly mistaken. I told you 5 10x trades ago, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, all over really the last 3 months here, that this was going to keep happening. You didn't listen. And again, think about where we are in the market right now with all of the volatility that we're seeing. You guys needed to have been able to nail a lot of those trades that I have been handing out in order to give yourself a nice buffer for what we're seeing right now. So again, don't let yourself make that same mistake. You guys have the link. It's pinned to both tops of the live chats. Use code October, get 50% off your first month, and hop in there with us. So let's see. Anything else crazy going on? I'm going to go back over to the Rumble chat. Let's see. Coeli, $5 super. Oh my God. So the supers do work on Rumble. There we go. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I didn't even realize. What are they called? Rumble rants? That's kind of interesting. I didn't know that those were a thing over here. Well, I did. I just didn't know if it worked. You remember, YouTube literally demonetized me, guys, for talking about how many 10x trades that I hand out to the LTMP group. So, like, is your community novice friendly in terms of options? Yeah, 100%. I mean, it has, like, the thing that I talk about a lot is, like, everybody loves to limit themselves. Like, yeah, I have videos breaking down exactly what options are, how they move, how they're priced, everything. But once you guys see how simple what we do in the market actually is and how little time it actually takes, the most common piece of feedback that I always receive is, 1, once you see it, you can't unsee it. And 2, everybody just wishes they started doing this a lot sooner. But yeah, I mean, again, it's most of the trades too have a better risk to reward profile with the shares trades than they do with the option trades. The only reason why we like to trade options so much is it allows you to trade multiple things at once, because sometimes the shares trades are going to require you to put a significant portion of your trading account into the trade. BTU, there it goes. I don't like Palantir Weekly. There goes BTU, guys. That's looking phenomenal. Congratulations, everybody. This is just like seeing you guys like nailing these moves all the time. Those of you guys that have trusted me with LTMP coming in here and nailing these moves, it's just unbelievable. It is unbelievable to see. These are results. Like, think about it. If you guys are looking to trade and learn to trade, and the person that you're looking to learn from doesn't have results that are so absolutely freaking insane that YouTube is demonetizing them, they're getting community guideline strikes for showing you guys the results. Instagram is now throttling me. I'm not allowed to send messages for like 4 days over here. If that is not the level of results that they're showcasing to you, then don't listen to them. Like, the question now, guys, isn't whether or not LTMP works, because it is so overtly obvious that it does. The question now is really, you got to look yourself hard in the mirror and ask yourself, how many more of these life-changing types of trades are you going to actively choose to miss? Because that's effectively what you're doing. So let's go through a couple of these individual names here. Palantir, again, just kind of bouncing around here in this range. We took a look at the weekly chart. You have earnings coming up. Not really a fan of this. The thing that's probably going to break this through these highs and get that weekly breakout is probably going to be news, which is probably going to come in the form of earnings. So I'm not really doing anything with this name right now. This is one, again, that I handed out to you guys at 15. It's now trading at 179. Again, there's not really much to do with this one. It's not a name that you want to go out in long, but it's definitely not one that you want to go out in short. SoFi, how's this looking over here? Trying to move back up a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Oh, it's Chaley. Sorry. Romeo? I call you Romeo a lot, too. But yeah, everybody, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in, whether you are on Rumble, whether or not you're on YouTube. Make sure you guys are sharing the streams. Again, nobody is ever been able to showcase to you guys the results that I have with what we've done in the market. I'm trying to help as many people as I possibly can. Oh, here's the other thing that I didn't even talk about with you guys yet. This is actually kind of ridiculous. So again, when YouTube and all these other platforms here, guys, are coming and throttling me and saying that, oh, these results are unrealistic, blah, 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 I just say, screw that. I'm going to keep showcasing you guys the best results in the market. So we have Lost in Lake Balboa over here in the community gain section of the group. He's up $21,000 in the last week. That is awesome. Unbelievable results there, but we have some even crazier ones over here. We have Cuddy over here who made $73,000 yesterday. You guys heard that, right? $73,000 in one day. And then we have Catch Me If You Can, who has been just an unbelievable student over the last couple of months here, really taking everything that I teach and putting it into practice. Had his biggest day ever so far at $100,278. If all of this, if everything that I've been talking about and all of the different censorship that I've had to deal with and all the different results that I've shown you guys has not convinced you that the LTMP group is in the methodology is the proper way to be operating in the market, then quite honestly, you need to stop operating short-term in the market, because every single other thing that you try and do is just going to be inferior. That's just how it is. ENVX. I don't think ENVX is really doing anything right here. Did it hit that day? Yeah, it hit through that day low, so no, nothing. That's done. Gold looking great. BTU is still cruising over here, guys. Congrats. What are these up right now for everybody? That's awesome. Another really, really awesome move there. But yeah, I'll throw the link in here for LTMP in both chats. So here you guys go on the YouTube chat over there. And I'll throw it in the Rumble chat too. It's pinned to both though. So there you guys go. And again, make sure you guys are subscribed and following on Rumble. All of the videos are going to be posted on Rumble first, and then they're going to come out on YouTube after. Let's see. Yeah, BTU though, awesome move, guys. Congratulations to everybody that's in this one. Really, really, really awesome movement there. RKT starting to get my attention here though on this basin break at 1684. I actually like that. That's a very, very, very interesting one there. Keep that one on your radar. That's a very, very, very interesting one for us. Yeah. Ooh, Mastermind's coming soon too. You got stopped out? Yeah, that's how it works. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Dude, you are the worst. I'm only up 105% on BTU now in a day. Hal, great work. Up 70%. Mando's up 70% on BTU. Great work, guy. It's still cranking over here. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, this is seeing those results that I saw from you guys yesterday and everything that we've been able to do over the last, I don't know, 3 months here. That's why I do what I do. Like, all of these social media platforms can keep targeting me. They can keep trying to silence my voice over here. I could have 1 billion followers or I could have 1. As long as the impact that I'm having is so much more positive than anything that you guys are going to see anywhere else, I'm happy. That's what it's all about, guys. Making sure that you guys actually have the skills and the tools that you need in order to have long-term success in the market. Can't wait till SoFi gets included into the S&P. I think might. I mean, at some point. SoFi, I mean, again, I own this one at $6.55. I don't really foresee me doing anything with this position in the near future. Not only did I give you guys this at $6.55 in the LTMP group, but I also gave this out for free on the weekly breakout at $13.60. So the stock is almost, it was at one point up over 100% since that outline there. But again, it's still really close there. So another awesome one. What's Nio looking like today? Nothing too crazy. What about Hims? Not the biggest fan of all that. But let's get BTU back on here because this thing has been an absolute monster over the last 24 hours here for everybody. Congratulations, man. I mean, what else do you guys want from me? Seriously, what else do you guys want? But yeah, I think Keenan, yeah, very, very, very beginner friendly. It works for everybody. That's why it's so. That's why LTMP is as successful as this because it works for everybody. I do really like how RKT looks here. It's not like if you think about this is typically going to be a bearish setup, but you do have this base forming, and then you're right on top of the 200 EMA there, which could easily give this thing a nice little burst to the upside. You would have to clear this daily 10 EMA, which could get a little funky, but. Tesla giveaway? No giveaways. But yeah, guys, again, if you're whether you're on Rumble or on YouTube, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. Went super small and aggressive, got 126%. You guys are begging for ankles on Rumble. Also, I can't tell if you guys are liking the stream on Rumble. I think it's delayed, but make sure you guys are. I feel like you guys would. Let's see. Is Rumble beating YouTube right now? Oh, they're tied. Where do you see SoFi going in the next couple of years? If they continue to execute, they're going to go up. And here's the thing. I talk about this a lot. This is something that a lot of people just like think about it like this. The way that we operate in the market, the reason I've been able to have as much success as I've had is that it is from this like one very, very important statement. If you want to have different results than everybody else, you have to think and act differently than they do. So again, I think price targets are garbage, and I don't really necessarily think about what's going to happen over the next couple of years, let's say. Again, I have that three-pillared approach that we're going to go into a lot more detail on in the mastermind coming up over the next few weeks here. But again, once you get the macro conditions down, a good fundamental story, a good chart, which is where we were buying it, you have to be thesis driven. You can't sit here and just base everything that you or any like all of what you're doing in the market on price. Like SoFi, I think, is going to continue to gain market share, grow their business, and continue to have success. So with that, they are probably going to move to the upside if the other market conditions in general are going to remain positive. Do I know how much? No, nobody does. But it is one that I think has a lot of potential, and I don't plan on doing anything in it in the near future. We rumbling, Trader Joe. What's up, man? Oh, what the heck? I clicked a button. But yeah, shout out to all of you guys on Rumble today. This is going to be fun. I think most of the streams are going to be on Rumble here. Again, let me grab the link to that Rumble stream. If you guys are not following me on Rumble yet, you should be, because the streams are almost all of the like streams during the week are now going to be on Rumble. The Friday ones are going to be on both, and then I'm going to try to get TikTok going for you guys too today, so we can have 3 places that we're streaming. But yeah, that's the Rumble link. Make sure you guys are followed over there. Again, this is what we have to do when I hand out results that literally I told you guys that the trading community has never seen before. Like I've told you guys, we are doing things with LTMP that nobody's ever seen. And with that is going to come all of this nonsense from the social media platform. So again, if you want to be a part of this and really gain the skills that nobody can ever take away from you in the market, LTMP is the only place out there that can do that, you know? You're digging the Rumble setup? There you go. Hal says, LTMP works my 3rd week, and I have already seen big results. That boy, Hal. There you go. Let's see. Fig. Let me take a look. Because that was one we were potentially looking at for... No, I don't like this here. Gold's looking great. BTU is looking great here for you guys. Congratulations to everybody in these. Again, it's usually, at this point, it feels like once or twice a week we've hit a massive one. So BTU could be that one if it starts to get a little snappy. So we'll see. We will see. I'm also monetized on Rumble too, so that's part of it. Here you go. BTU looking for the highs here. 35. What's the high? 35.10. Oh no, I did it again for everybody. Also, we didn't even talk about RGTI yesterday, guys. RGTI over here, I mean, it's moving back to the upside, but look at that. You hit that next target of 55 right towards the end of the day. Those are up what, like 800% for you guys? Are you kidding me? I keep trying to help everybody and just showcase to you guys every single day that this is what you should be doing in the market. Pay attention or pay a premium because the prices of LTMP are only going to go up. So, again, make sure you guys are locking in those lower rates, meaning that once you join, price never goes up on you. But a lot of you guys are going to wait too long. You're not going to be able to afford it. I told you, LTMP is going to $199 a month. Well, I told you guys what it was on RKT. It's what? It's this high, 1683. I'd be interested in something small on that on RKT. That'd be fun. That would be very fun. But yeah, and then just thinking about the broad market too, guys. Like, we are going to witness significant amounts of volatility and whipsawing this week, which is going to, let's see. Which is going to, again, it's just lower probability market conditions, which is going to force us to make sure that we're keeping our risk in check. You do not want to be slinging things around, going crazy in this market, especially after what we've done. You want to make sure that you are preserving capital, guys. You got to make sure that you are able to keep the money that I have helped all of you guys make and be able to deploy a larger amount of capital at the high quality A+ setups that are inevitably going to form. And we're going to go on another run here of massive 10x trades. You know? So I think at this point, Rumble is probably beating YouTube. I just can't see it. It's definitely beating YouTube in general. 1682. Yeah, that's a good alert for RKT. I like that. Serve. I don't like that. It's just too rangy and wonky, guys. Like, that's the thing, especially with this week, too. I need perfect. You guys want to see perfect? Here's perfect. Tap. This is really the only new setup right now this week that I am pretty interested in. You know? Like, this is kind of the only one. Actually, we might do the YouTube live streams every single day, so we can do YouTube, TikTok, I think, if I can figure out how to do vertical, and Rumble. So we'll do all three. I would stream on Instagram, except Instagram hates me. Because you guys know why. Because I hand out the best trades in the market and then I talk about the results of them. Like that, I don't understand why they are like that when they let all of these lifestyle marketing scammers out there just rinse everybody and they don't let the one person that's actually helping people like show people how to make money. But it's fine. It is what it is. You guys that are in LTMP know the deal. I'm going to keep making you guys stupid amounts of money. And it's never going to stop. There's nothing anybody can do that is going to... 88% on BTU. Nice work. Hold on. Let's see. How you guys doing on Rumble? Let's see. Can I just test the Roblox chart? Kept looking, I want to break down. Even Dave said it didn't look good, but it keeps bouncing back. Yeah, I mean, that's what we were talking about, what do you call it? Today. Or, yeah, in the private stream this morning with LTMP. Oh my God, there it goes. So the problem with taking any downside and the reason why I wasn't, like, especially on Reddit there too, after I was trying to get fills and the chain was terrible, the reason why is because what a lot of people are doing right now in this market is looking at it like it's April and saying, oh, we have this scenario where the markets are probably going to tank. But what we actually have is a little bit of a speed bump where you're going to see a little bit of increased tensions in terms of these trade talks between the US and China that are probably going to get resolved. So what the actual smart thing to be doing right now is not going out and slinging a bunch of downside. It's to really just sit back, relax, and wait in cash for the high quality A+ setups to form. That's why it's like, oh, it never broke. Well, this one never broke the 124.50 or even that other initial level that I was talking about at 122.27. Right? So there's not really much to do on either of those. We talked about that a lot on the morning stream, though. Oh my God, Mr. Bacon Man, second trade being in this group. BTU for the win. He's up 223 bucks. There you go, man. I mean, that's what it's all about. Whether you have a big account, a small account, this works for everybody. He's up 98% on his account today. You're still holding AMC and added GME? I don't know why you would do that. I don't know. After I told you guys it was dead, I don't know why you guys would be doing that. But welcome back, Harry. RGTI, 125% trade paid for LTMP for like 2 years. Great work, Jesse. But yeah, make sure you guys are following on Rumble. Again, guys, there's not a single other person that you guys have ever heard in the trading investing space that is, okay, it's like one, been demonetized by YouTube and said, okay, for literally talking about how many 10x trades that they hand out to the group. Then I said, all right, watch this. I hand out about 30 more of them over a 2.5 month period. And then YouTube gives me a community guideline strike. It's like, listen, if you're talking about and saying unrealistic results and things like that, fair enough if it was just 1 or 2 trades. But if you demonetize me for something, then I show you 30 more of them and you do the exact same thing. YouTube and the social media platforms are the idiots, obviously not us. You know? Like, censor me all you want, but I'm going to keep handing out the best trades in the market, guys. BTU over here cranking. Good work, ladies and gentlemen. So, again, for those of you guys that still need to take advantage of this, again, LTMP, there's nothing else out there that will even ever come remotely close to what we're doing in LTMP. There's the link in the YouTube chat there. I'm going to throw it in the Rumble chat for you guys here too. There you guys go. Again, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in on both platforms. I think YouTube might be beating Rumble on the likes right now, but I don't know. I think it has to refresh. Again, use code October, get 50% off your first month. You know, it's like, I don't know how many more of these you guys want to see. I'm going to keep doing it. It's not hard. The hard part is being able to make sure that you guys don't touch anything and not high quality market conditions, you know? BTU looks good. That RGTI move, guys, from what, 34.30 over here all the way up to 55, that target that we hit yesterday is just insane. I would not be surprised at all if we saw RGTI over 60 at some point this week, especially if the market starts snapping back. Wouldn't be surprised at all. Another epic mover. Let's see. Anything coming through the news feed over here? Goldman tells its staff it plans to cut more jobs this year. Prediction market saying government shutdown will last past November 16th. Ooh. Thoughts on path? Let's take a look. Nope. Not a setup. Up 60% on FLNC now. There you go. 30. Oh, yeah. So it hasn't refreshed on mine. I think we're beating. Yeah. So Rumble is beating YouTube on the likes right now. There you go. Uh-oh. That's going to be fun. We're going to, because once we get TikTok into the mix, oh, it's going to be fun. I just got to figure out how to set that up today. I don't think it's that hard. I think I just add something to OBS. Now we're good to go. My Johnsons were up 1,000% on the pop this morning. That was fun. We didn't even talk about that. That was pretty nuts. Johnson was moving like crazy. But yeah, this is going to be fun. We're going to grow more community gains. BTU, 106%, another winner. I mean, if you guys want to make it free there, you can. Those of you guys that are up over 100%, especially in these market BTU continuously making new highs over here. There you go, guys. Unbelievable. I mean, could this one be the next big multi-100%er? It definitely could. I mean, that first, if you guys want to hold to a target, it's what, 30, what is this high? 30, okay, it's being annoying. Hold on. 37.37. So you got $2-ish. $2.60-ish cents. More on BTU over here if you guys want. If it goes all the way up there with a lot of your guys' contracts here, those will probably be up 500, 600, 700%. That'll be another epic one that everybody on the outside missed. It's fine. You guys are going to see eventually. I'm just going to keep, like, I'm going to hand out 30 more 10x trades, and you guys are going to miss, a lot of you guys are going to miss those too, and you're going to be like, oh, maybe after 60,000% trade ideas, maybe STV has the best setup in the market and the way to operate in the market if you're looking to trade short term. It's like, I know I do, but some of you guys still need to see more of it for some reason. Chipotle? I thought this was starting to set. Ooh, that actually looks interesting. I actually like that. Were we talking about this? I actually do like it over 42. I do like Chipotle over 42. Let's see. Especially the sponsored ones. Here's the thing. I don't care who you are, whatever it is, even if you disclose that you are being paid to analyze a stock, I think you are the biggest scum of the trading space. Scum. Absolute scumbag is what you are. I don't care who it is. Or if you disclose it or not. Most of them don't disclose it, but I know who all of them are because I get the same emails too. They're just so easily influenced by a little bit of money. It's like, really? You guys are supposed to be traders and market participants, and you're getting influenced by a couple grand? Really? That's what you're doing? Okay. It's just so much self-snitching. It's like... And it's just wrong. Like, I hate social media so much. Well, Daily Taylor, if he does it, yeah, scumbag is what he is. Ooh, Mando, 96% on BTU. Congratulations, man. Good work, guys. Good work. It's not the weekly on Chipotle that I like. I mean, it might be out of a nice weekly base, but it's okay. Getting through that 10. I mean, I like it over 42. Lyft is taking off today? It's not taking off. I wouldn't say that's taking off at all. I mean, that's just like fish hooking back to the upside there. Yeah, guys. BTU, gem. Gem. Good work, guys. Even in these crazy market conditions, there you go. There's a great one for you. Yeah, Rumble's fun. I like Rumble. Amgen's moving. Oh, hold on. Yeah, that could be fun. I like it. I mean, that's early entry to 97.66. That's pretty early. APLD. Yeah, well, that's what I'm saying. I don't care. You could call out the best stocks in the world, but it doesn't. It's the type of person that these people are that are willing to take money to analyze a stock. Because there's no argument around it, because you know what that company's looking for. They're trying to basically pump it and get more people to buy it. That's what they're doing. So why would I ever talk about a stock that's like that? No matter if I like it or not. The very like just idea of a company coming out and asking me to like do a video on it and like research it makes me want to short it, because if their company was as good as they said it was, it would already be at a different valuation and be talked about differently. Everybody has the internet. Everybody has access to all these things, you know? A little upset you did the shares trade on BTU. Why? You're sitting at a what in terms of risk to reward right now? A lot of people are up 100% on this one. Okay, what are you at right now? You're the same thing. In terms of the risk, you're at the same thing. And yours don't expire. A lot of people took on a lot more risk to get that basically 100% of their risk there. So, I mean, this thing is just moving there, guys. There you go. Amgen is close. Is market still moving up here? Yeah, market's still pushing here, guys. That's why I love you. Thanks, Daily Taylor. Yeah, I mean, I just, like, you guys have no idea how much, like how many times I've been offered things like that, or, like, the way that I could operate in the market here. Like, you guys know how much more I could charge for LTMP. Like, and for all the other stuff that I've done, like, especially you guys that bought the course videos initially, then I let you into LTMP for free. I didn't have to do that. Oh, you buy the mastermind, you get the course free. I didn't have to do that. So, again, I'm going to keep doing the right thing over here, showing you guys how to make money in the market the proper way, and showcasing to you guys the results that nobody has ever seen before in the market. That's why LTMP is the best. It's nothing else ever has come close, and it's never going to come close ever again. All right, this is getting close. 267.66, 297.66 is interesting. Where's Chipotle? Is that getting close? I mean, it's 25 cents away. Still feel better about the risk to reward, though? Yeah, well, yeah, the risk to reward on the share trade is still better. Unless it goes nuts. like if BTU keeps having like 5% days like it is here, like 5.3%, if it keeps running like this, you like UVXY here? Well, the time to buy UVXY was down in here, obviously. You would then need a significant increase in volatility to get this moving higher too. So then you're betting on basically Trump not tacoing, which he probably is got. BTU ripping, guys. Congratulations, guys. I mean, how many more times? What are these up for you guys over here? 115% on BTU. There you go. Where's AREC? That's a Dave ticker. Guys, we have one of the most successful market technicians, in my opinion, of all time in the group with us, handing out just some of the best trades in the market and just like outlining the names that he sees that I may not see all the time that fit with the LTMP methodology, guys. It's just like there's nothing else like this. BTU still printing over here. Great work, everybody. So again, the link is pinned to the top of the live chat. Use code October, 50% off your first month. I think it's like $40 to join for your first month, guys. That's what it's set up at right now. MCD finally moving. MCD is not a setup right now. But yeah, BTU, amazing. Dave is AI at this point. He's great, man. I love Dave. He's not AI. Let's see. 142% on BTU, 130% now. There you go. Yeah, Chipotle I kind of like. Yeah, Caesar bought the bundle of courses. Yep, that was significantly discounted. I mean, guys, it's just like 171%. There you go. There you go, guys. So, again, links are pinned to the top of the live chat. Don't miss it. I mean, I keep telling you guys I'm just going to keep handing out the best trades in the market. When are you going to start listening? Are you going to miss the next 30 of them? Are you? You probably will. Also, it's almost, I think the maintenance people are going to come soon, and they better today because I'm going to lose my, my marbles. I'm going to lose my marbles. What I like is I can leave this group tomorrow and still make some of these trades. You can pay for a month and leave with knowledge, but why leave when it keeps paying for itself? Exactly. That's why everybody stays. You know? And I love having you guys in there. It's fun because, like, you guys will find stuff that I don't see. I'll find 90% of everything that's moving. BTU ripping. There we go. Where's Chipotle? Ooh, RKT getting a little closer there. CMG a little closer too. Growing with you? Yeah, I don't really care about that. I mean, we can take a look at pins here. No, that's, no, you don't want anything to do with that. Chipotle's moving. Maybe this is the time that Chipotle finally starts firing. Where's earnings? Garrett! Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Oh, wait. I kind of... Chipotle's getting real close here. I like it. I like that. I like how that looks. BTU still cruising, guys. Congratulations. Can I take a look at NNDM? I can. It's just, I mean, it's a 3D printed set. Ooh, I mean, that's a nasty chart. You're chasing it now, though. You had some good setups in here. I mean, again, guys, there's a time and a place to be buying stuff. It's not really the time to be slinging this right now, in my opinion. I mean, Amgen could get going there today. BTU looks great. And we get other trading pros like David Nikoski throwing good stuff at us all the time. It's a no-brainer to join this group. G-Money, I know. It's the best group in the world. Like, there's nothing else like it. Like, the value in there is just ridiculous. Still watching Tap? Yeah. Yeah, I still like Tap. Chipotle looks fun. Ooh, hold on. What's that? No. No. Yeah, keep smacking that like button on the way in too, guys. You guys are crushing it. Rumble and YouTube, thank you guys. We're dual streaming today, for those of you guys that don't know. We're on Rumble too. So the Rumble link is floating around in the live chat. Make sure you guys are following on Rumble as well. I'll actually grab that link here so that you guys can go directly to the Rumble stream if you want to, so you can follow from there. Yeah, all of the videos are going to be posted first on Rumble now, then on YouTube, since YouTube is going to be censoring me after proving time and time again, even after demonetization, that I am handing out the best trades in the market. They still think that me showing everybody the best results that anybody has ever seen in the trading space, for some reason, goes against their community guidelines. Well, they did reverse my community guideline strike, but I'm still demonetized. So, again, I do these streams to help you guys. And just showcase to you guys the power of what we do in LTMP. This thing, NNDM's ripping. Target? No. Not doing anything on Target, guys. No, no, no. Take Two. I don't like trading Take Two at all. It's just, the chain on that thing gets so wonky. Market getting a little candle there. City CEO says growth cooling somewhat across the U.S. economy. Okay, so remember, guys, when we think about what's actually happening now with the Fed, inflation, interest rates, and then growth, Jerome Powell at the last Jackson Hole Symposium made it very obvious that he is now on our side of the argument, where the Fed is going to be okay with inflation running a little bit above trend, but they will not sacrifice growth, because then you can slip into a stagflationary period, which is very bad. So they are going to continue cutting rates. You've seen a lot of FOMC speakers coming out and giving their expectation of what the neutral rate is actually going to be, and it's a lot lower than where we currently are. So obviously we're dealing with this hiccup right now, this little bump in the road with this kind of trade war escalation between the U.S. and China. But overall, when you can, like, we know where the big picture is going to be, in the big moves are going to kind of like the big money is going to flow into. That's why I bought gold at 317 here and told you guys about it. I mean, if you guys go look at my X account right now, one of my posts from today, I mean, it's showing you guys exactly where. Oh, I could probably stream on Twitter too. Ooh, we could probably do that. Is showing you guys. I mean, from since when I outlined gold for you guys. I mean, I said 20% on Twitter. It's up more now. I mean, it's up what? Oh, it's up 20% now from when I gave that to you guys, which is crazy. Can I look at Sava? Of course I can. Nope. Not for me. So yeah, guys, we're going to be streaming on Rumble. We're going to be streaming on YouTube. We're going to be streaming on TikTok. We're probably going to be streaming on Twitter too. We're going to be everywhere. They can't stop LTMP. There's nothing that anybody can do to stop me from showcasing the best results in the market every single week. What are they going to do? Take away my ability to read a chart? This is why I tell you guys, it's like once you guys build these skills, nobody can take them away from you. RKT, we talked about this a lot. It is 1684. Yeah, it's close enough. Community gains, what do we got in here? Count G, BTU, 112%. Oh my God. Guys, we just got another message in the community gains channel. Count G is up 107% on his account in the last month. He doubled his whole entire account in the last month with us in LTMP. I mean, I'm going to throw the link in here for you guys again. It's pinned to the top of the live chat, but do not miss this. I'm giving you guys a gift there, 50% off your first month with code October. I don't know what you guys are waiting for. So I'll throw it in the Rumble live chat here too. There you guys go. You also have Twitch. Yeah, but I don't think Twitch really has a great algorithm. Do they? I could do that. That'd be a lot of different places to stream. We'd be spreading ourselves very thin. I think Rumble and YouTube are good for, and Twitter probably for horizontal big stream, and then TikTok and I actually could probably stream on YouTube Shorts as well. Mid to long-term hold. Well, I still like it. It's still at a good spot. I mean, where is it now? 16? Well, I gave this one to you guys back in here. This is another one at like 1160, I think. PayPal, I'm not a big fan of for a long-term hold, and it doesn't have to do with price. Again, guys, like Gordon, I cannot stress this enough. A lot of you guys, those of you, the mastermind is going to be so beneficial to all of you guys because, like, that is just the wrong question to be asking, right? Like, what price to hold something, to buy something at, or is it a good long-term hold, is not the question to ask. It's the three-pillared approach and being able to, like, analyze and go through that type of approach. Like, the way that you go through macro fundamentals and technicals and the way that you go through that is gonna, like, think about it. Like, how many, like, I have between 5 and 10, like, epic A+ ideas every single year, and then I hammer them. One of them was Nio this year at 455. Novo I like for like the next 10 years. My average, I have 1,000 shares of Novo at 54 something. It's in the 54s. So we still got to get some more out there. Some years it's higher, some years it's lower, but that's not the right question to be asking, right? It has nothing to do with price. It has to do with thesis and story, right? NG. That looks filthy. Yeah, but also if this is metals and metals are running today and this isn't, that's a problem for this. I wouldn't, you know. AQN. So that looks interesting. The mastermind outline, to give you guys a little bit of an understanding of what's going to be in it, is going to be out on Friday for those of you guys in LTMP. So everybody in LTMP is going to get a 30% off discount. Former mastermind members are going to get I decided it's going to be a 60% discount, and then everybody else is going to pay full price. For those of you guys that want to hop in there, again, it has nothing to really to do with trading. It's a college level education in finance trading in the finance investing in the market. We do these once a year. Those of you guys that were in the last mastermind, whether on YouTube or Rumble, let everybody know what you thought about it, because I mean, the last one was epic. This one's going to be even crazier. You can't really grow on Twitch. That's what I thought. MySpace. So, I mean, the last mastermind was insane. This one's going to be even better. BTU, still hanging out at the highs. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. 140% on BTU. There you go. Made BTU free at 140%. Great work. Great work, guys. Selling half your position, getting your initial investment back, and letting it rip from there. That's what we like to do, man. That's what we like to do. CNR looks interesting, but again, like with these, like Cole and all of these, like you guys already have BTU. I gave that one to you guys this weekend. If these are the names that we have to look for, it kind of tells me that you got to relax a little bit in the market. You know, we are actually almost at 50 likes on the YouTube stream right now. I can't really tell what we're at on the Rumble stream, but I mean, it's probably higher. It's probably close. You guys were crushing it on Rumble. So yeah, every day going forward, we'll do YouTube and Rumble. We'll get TikTok and all those going at some point this week. I got a lot of stuff I got to do. I need maintenance to come to figure out this freaking issue I have in my apartment. Market looks interesting here. We'll see what happens to it. Aspen, we could take a look at Aspen. It's just too close to the 200 and too close to earnings for me. Not bad setup. It's just, it's not great, but like that's not for me there. 37 on Rumble. Oh, you guys can do better than that. You guys can do better than that. The like goal on Rumble now is 100 likes. I think we can hit it. ASTF, I think we've already looked at it. It's not one that I'm interested in now. Again, this is one that I gave you guys at 42.67. So, I mean, this was one of the 29 to 30 10x trades that I handed out. Josh, you know this though. But again, guys, this was another epic one. So again, guys, pay attention or pay a premium. I'm not going to stop doing this for everybody. I don't, a lot of people out there are just like, oh no, but I kind of want to do this. And it's like, quite honestly, I don't care what you want to do. There are certain things that you have to do in the market if you want to have any chance at having long-term success, and it is operating the way that we do. You want the proof of that? I'll show you the like, who else handed out a 26,000% trade or an 8,000% trade or a 5,000% trade? Like when I say, guys, like 29 10x trades in the last 3 months, it's not just 1,000%. Like that's the minimum. Like we had a lot of 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 8,000. We were breaking the LTMP record for like the biggest trade of the year, like over and over. Just didn't know if something to look at again. Yeah, well, again, at this point, Josh, that's just kind of one that you ride. Just let it go. I mean, that thing just looks phenomenal up here, just breaking out again at the highs. I mean, that just looks filthy. Like what is this stock? It's doubled. It's more than doubled since I outlined this for you guys. You're welcome. I mean, how much more do you need to see? You know? Chipotle still looks good above 42. Oh, BTU, new highs, I think. Oh, no, the high is 35.50. There you go. CoreWeave. Not a fan. Not a fan. Not a good setup there right now. BTU, phenomenal. There you guys go. Those are probably up, what, 150, 160% for some of you guys right now? Let's see. I mean, if we can get this thing to like 36 today, that'd be insane, guys. Because the first big target for those of you guys that have a little bit longer expiration, it's 30. It's like 37. What did we say it was? Because it's this gap high. 37.37. She's like $2.30 away, which would be nuts. You know, 141% on BTU. Congratulations, Jay. That's awesome. That's awesome, guys. Again, like on a real note, like I know I showed you guys the from yesterday. Catch Me If You Can having his biggest day ever with LTMP, a little over $100,000 in a day. We had Cuddy making $76,000 in a day. We had, I think it was Lost in Lake Balboa making, what, 20, I think it was, what was it? Let me look. Let me see what it was. Yeah, $21,000, almost $22,000 in the past week. Like, these are the types of results that I showcase from LTMP guys, and the main reason why these social media platforms are, like, banning me. And that I now have to go on to Rumble, and I have to screw around with Instagram now, and now we're going to be streaming on TikTok. Like, when I tell you guys we're doing things the trading community has literally never seen before, I'm not lying. You guys know me. What? I'm not lying to you. I show you guys this stuff every day. When I say things like, oh, look, here are the results. Like in every single one of those videos too, the result is in the video. That is the percentage return of that trade. 1,000%, 26,000%, 8,000%, 5,000%, every single time. Prices are just going to keep going up. You know? Don't miss out. Crowd Weekly? No. I don't like that. Not a fan. Can't wait to have an account big enough to make 100K. Well, I mean, he probably started where all of you guys are. You guys see the trades that are handed out to everybody. Doesn't take that long if you pay attention. 80% on FLNC. Dab, nice work. Nice work, guys. Jay is up 141% on BTU. Congratulations, guys. SYM. I think we talked about this one yesterday, didn't we? Yeah. Breakout. Came a lot of drama today and then broke. Yeah. Yeah, BTU's hunting again, guys. That's hunting the highs again. Wow, we're almost at 50 likes on YouTube, even with the dual streaming. That's pretty good. Chipotle still waiting for that 42 break. Market's coming down. They need some help from the market there. Market's still down 0.5% here, guys. I mean, it's not like, I mean, this could fly around all over the place, but like, you do have a little bit of upside left today. If this thing wants to go, it can. I mean, you're getting into Euro close right now, so you got the last 2 minutes. I think it's 11:30 now. Sometimes it's 12:30 with the time differences. So we'll see what happens here. Oh, we're almost at 300 followers on Rumble. There we go. Yeah, Rumble is going to be fun to grow. It's going to be like growing on YouTube again. I think I'm going to see if I can get TikTok going today too. I do want to make some video. I got a lot of stuff I got to do today. I got to get ready for all my guests to come this weekend. I got this freaking mouse in my apartment. I don't know how that's even possible. How is that possible? I'm gonna yell. I swear to God, I'm gonna start yelling. I'm like a very easygoing person, but like, if you push me too much, I'll get angry. Like, I usually don't care, but like, you guys let a rodent run around the building? Really? Here with what I pay? Nope. And you guys remember like 3 weeks ago, some intellectual superstar decided to leave their sink on and it leaked into my apartment. So I had a hole in the ceiling. Is that what happened? I don't know. Ridiculous. I'm gonna start getting angry. Time to get a cat? Dude, I don't like cats. I really don't. Well, I like one cat. My invite was lost in the mail. Better with cheddar. BTU still looking great, guys. I'm gonna tweet that out in a little bit. Actually, we'll do the tweet right now. We can do the tweet right now with all you guys on here. I think I tweeted it yesterday, didn't I? Oh, I'll wait so I can get some of your screenshots on there too, because I can't do that now. I'm gonna make a YouTube community post about some of the gains too, guys. It's just gonna get, I'm just keep providing you guys proof that LTMP is the place. If you want to have any chance at having long-term success in the market, LTMP is what you need. If you guys have any questions on it, just let me know. It's not hard. Very simple. Very simple. This could be a really fun one. If Chipotle rip, this could be a very, very, very fun one. Tap is still kind of my favorite, though. Where is Tap today? It's flatline. Not really doing much. They probably need a little bit of a catalyst to get that thing going. Give it a little smack on the butt to get going. Lunar? What happened to Lunar? I mean, the break was down here. 1080. It's like, it went to 14. I don't really think you could say screw Lunar at that point. Roblox on the way up? Yeah, that's not going to be a downside setup for us now. Let's see. Oh, BTU, 175%. Congratulations. Mark up 132% on, there you go. On BTU. Love LTMP. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. That's awesome, guys. That's unbelievable. I mean, it's just like... Nice work, everybody. Again, I'm going to keep handing out the best trades in the market. Those of you guys that listen and pay attention are going to be able to get the benefits of them. If not, I'm going to keep victory lapping, folks. I'm just going to keep victory lapping. So, alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we went a little over today. That is going to wrap up the streams here. I'm going to do my best to get a YouTube video out for you guys today. It is going to be posted on Rumble first, so make sure that you guys are following over on Rumble. But again, make sure you guys are taking that opportunity to hop into LTMP. Get 50% off your first month with code October. I just put the link into the YouTube chat. I'm going to put it into the Rumble chat too, in case there's any new people lurking around. But guys, again, like I say, there is nobody. Oh my God, BTU is still going over here. Look at this thing go. Look at it go, guys. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So team, there's not much else to say at this point. The social media accounts are coming after me solely because I am showcasing gains that the trading community has literally never seen before. I told you we were doing things the trading community has never seen before, and you didn't listen. Now it's time for you to start listening, paying attention, and being able to make some of these gains for yourself. So, team, we're going to wrap it up here for today. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way out. Be ready for some content later. It'll be fun. We might be able to do some TikTok tomorrow, maybe some Twitter streams. We're going to have some fun. So, guys, have a great rest of your day. Peace.